If you're in China here and you are finding it difficult to buy things online, or you're outside, you're planning to come over to China and you would like to buy anything at all to your house, even if it's late at night, I'm talking about 1 a.m., 12 a.m., 3 a.m., you can still buy things online and get it delivered in your house. So right now I'm going to show you how you can be able to buy anything with using the Meituan app, okay, to get something delivered right in your side. So open the Meituan app in your phone, go to the search button and click on what you're looking for. So here I've already searched Lipton before, and you just see the one that's closest to your house. That's 2 kilometers to my house. And here you just select what you're looking for. When you select, you go to payment, and here you confirm your address and confirm whatever you're looking for. Yeah, and the estimated time is going to get to your house. And here is the discount. I was given 3.2% 2 quite discount, and you can also apply for more discount. So you go for payment here, and you'll be able to choose whether to pay with your Weixin, your WeChat, or your Alipay. All right, so we're gonna choose the Alipay. Input your password, and when you put your password, you're good to go. So when you put your password, you get the notification that you've paid, and you go straight back to the app, and it's going to show you the estimated time when it's going to arrive and when the delivery guy is going to pick it up. All right, so here it's 29, this is 9:29 to 9:44 before it gets to my house. And this is how it's going to be. It's going to pick it up, coming to my house, and it's going to reach my house by this time. So the delivery guy called and he dropped the package just in front of my door. And here I picked the package. This is what I ordered. And yeah. So that's it, guys. If you want to order anything, it's as simple as that.